organizing those who accept this revolutionary ideology at its face value without any reservations, who respond positively to this call to Allah. I told you this organization, as far as I have been able to understand, can be on the basis of 𝗵𝗂𝗇 𝗵𝗂𝗇. Because as I told you, at the first level, there is no need of any organization at all. To wage jihad against your own baser selves, no organization is needed at all. Although a loose association, a loose brotherhood will help. At the second level, institutions will work. Associations will do. There's no need of a disciplined party. But at this third level, which is the subject of our talk now, that is revolution. That is a total change of the system. We must have a highly disciplined party, which Quran says Hizbullah. I told you that the real basis of that hizb and discipline therein in the time of Muhammad was the Rasul-Ummati relationship. Every other thing was secondary. Just as is evident from what Sa'd ibn Ubadah said when there was consultation going on before the battle of Badr. But now this relationship is not available. For an organization today, for a party discipline, now this relationship is not present. Now the basis of Islamic Revolutionary Party today would be 𝗵𝗂. I want to dilate a bit on this institution of 𝗵𝗂 in Islam. What is 𝗵𝗂? 𝗵𝗂 means pledge. Actually, 𝗵 means to sell. 𝗵 𝗪. This is selling and purchasing, trading. Now let me make it clear in the first instance that an Islamic Revolutionary Party starts with a person who is da'i. This da'wah, the person who initiates the da'wah is called da'i. وَدَاعِيًا إِلَى اللَّهِ بِإِذْنِهِ وَسِرَاجًا مُنِيرًا. يَا أَيُّهَا النَّبِيُّ إِنَّا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ شَاهِدًا وَمُبَشِّرًا وَنَذِيرًا وَدَاعِيًا إِلَى اللَّهِ بِإِذْنِهِ وَسِرَاجًا مُنِيرًا. And at another place in Quran we find that some jinns, they listened to Muhammad reciting Quran. And then when they returned to their people, they said to them, Ya qawmana ajibu da'i Allah. Oh, our people, make haste, respond, say labbaik to the call of the caller towards Allah. So actually, in the person of Muhammad so many positions are present simultaneously. But we as Muslims always have his position of the messengerhood of Allah supreme in our minds. So much so that all the other positions have been shadowed. You know, he had 1,001 positions. He was husband of Aisha, radiyallahu ta'ala. Still he was Rasul and she was Ummati. This is one relationship, Rasul and Ummati. And this relation of husband and wife is a different relationship. He was father-in-law of Ali, son-in-law of Abu Bakr. He was the nephew of Abbas and Hamza, radiyallahu ta'ala anhum. These are the relationships. Then he was da'i. He was Amir of the Jama'ah. He was the head of the state in Medina. In the battlefield, he was the commander. He was the commander-in-chief. When settling the disputes, he was acting as a judge, chief justice of the Islamic State. So he had so many positions. And we must keep in view, when studying this seerah and these subjects, in what position at a particular moment Muhammad was acting, sallallahu alaihi wasallam.